Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to the third video in my series on the English language. In the last two videos we learnt about the alphabet. The English language has 26 letters and we learned how to say those. I hope you've been practicing. In this video we are going to see how to write those letters. I am going to show you how to write the capital letters. These are the big letters that begin a sentence. They are called capital letters. We will do the first 13 in this video. See you at the desk. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with the letter A. Now B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. I hope you didn't find that too difficult. In the next video we'll look at the second 13 letters in the English alphabet. As always, if you want to become good, you need to practice. This is very true of writing. So don't forget to practice. See you soon. Bye-bye.